Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add donation field in existing Wix form. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor, and this is our contact page form. So we are going to add donation field in this form. So click on form, and then you see edit form, so click on it. So this is our form dashboard, and then you see multiple option. Now you see add form field, so we are going to add donation field. Now you see payment, so click on it. Now you see donation, so drag and drop here like this. Now you see donation field added. Now you see title, so you can add title according to requirement. And then you see donation amount, so this is a static amount, so you can add 10, 20, 30. If you want, you can add more. Now you see three dots, so click on it. So you can change position, check as default, or you can delete, so it's up to you. And then you see allow custom amount, enable this option. If user want, user can enter custom amount for donation. Now you see placeholder text, required field, and then you see field description, enable this option. So if you want, you can add some instruction for this donation field, so it's up to you. And then you see one column, two column, layout, and then you see advanced, so click on it. Now you see field key, so click on save first, and then you see payment setting, accepting payment, manage, so click on it. So we are in setting accept payment. Now you see connected manual payment, so we are using Wix free version. If you want to upgrade, then you can add your payment gateway here, and then click on close. Now you see field added, and then click on publish. Now you see publish done. Go to contact page and refresh the page. So this is our contact page, and this is our form. Now you see donation field 10. If user want, user can select this amount. Now you see, if want, they can add static amount like this. So it's up to you, and then click on submit and make payment. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.